Today's guest on Crypto TV is Nikolay Denisenko, who is the co-founder and CTO, Chief Technology Officer at the crypto-friendly digital banking app called Brighty App. How are you today, Nikolay?
I'm very good. Very glad to be on this interview. Happy to answer all the questions that we have.
Yeah, I wanted to talk to you more about neobanking and how crypto fits into the neobanking revolution. I know that you started your career in Revolut, which was a major neobank based out of the UK, and now you have founded your own Brighty App, which incorporates cryptocurrency in addition to fiat. So I wanted to just ask you if you consider Brighty and Revolut competitors now.
So Revolut is pretty big right now, so it's already a bank, so they getting the licenses. I'm trying to as much customers around the world for their fiat services. So as they are more, fiat related company. And in terms of Brighty, we are focusing more on the crypto services, crypto adopters, and crypto customers. So I would say yes, we are a little bit competitors, but in terms of the services and audience, I think it's different. So we are again, so Brighty making crypto works as fiat as easy as possible, and Revolut more. They focusing on the fiat payments and everything that related to fiat.
Right. Okay. So I know that your guys' slogan is like one app for money and crypto, one-stop shop. So what is Brighty's mission then when it comes specifically to crypto adoption? Like, do you guys want to have more hybrid fintech platforms and institutions, or what's the vision there?
The vision is here. So, if we are talking about our strategy, the strategy is here to get all the customers who would like to utilize their crypto assets in everyday life. So we're making everything related to crypto as easy as possible. So we have some DeFi strategies where you can earn in application with just one button. We have this ability to deposit and transfer crypto without any questions, as easy as it happens in the blockchain, but with the convenience of the neobank application. We are attracting these customers, and we are providing other financial services to them. So in one application. So with this crypto functionality, they also getting the fiat functionality. And our strategy is here to get these customers with this unique offering of a crypto and give them other services like fiat payments and also like in future investments. So it's kind of like one killing feature that allowing us to get the broader list of the customers in the future.
Now that more and more neobanks are adding crypto to their offerings, do you think that this is the killer use case maybe for crypto adoption? Like, is it going to be through these neobank applications and fintech applications?
I think the crypto itself becomes more natural for the customers, so and for everybody. So the people around they start better understanding how this works, like for what is better works, and the financial services like neobanks, they just trying to fix this issue because the people would like to use that, and the financial services like why neobanks they themselves appeared because they trying to solve the problems that the people around do have trouble in. So that's why the neobanks itself they have risen before.
So then, is Brighty just available in Europe for now, or how can we access it?
Yes, Brighty available only for European residents, I would say right now. It's working everywhere. So like we have a card. The card is like Visa, just general Visa card, so it can be used everywhere. So I was in Mexico, I can use this card in Mexico. I'm in Andorra, I can use it here. I'm in Dubai, I can use it in Dubai. So it just depending on the customer residency. As for now, it's European area only. We are working on adding UK. So I think we will be live in UK in next 3, maybe like 4 months, and also looking very precisely on the MENA region. So specifically on Bahrain, Dubai, Abu Dhabi. So this is a very interesting region for us. Adding more regions is not a technical problem because we build this technology from scratch, so everything. It's more about the licenses and regulation, because when you building something in the middle between the traditional finance and digital finance, you should comply with all the regulations that exist on the in the countries when you're launching. Again, so we are centralized, decentralized application, and that's why banks to work with other banks, we need this like regular framework implemented and working in the country where we are live.
Okay, so let's touch on that a little more. Since Europe has already some established regulatory landscape when it comes to digital assets and cryptocurrency, do you think that made it easier for you when founding Brighty to have been based in Europe?
Very interesting question. Again, so it's very late to say like how the MiCA framework, I mean, we are talking about the MiCA framework, I think will affect everything because it's still in the progress. So it really depends on how strictly it will be enforced. Because again, so MiCA is just framework, and this kind of like some of the rules will be enforced, some of them not. And again, so it really depends what will be like live and at what time. But we are getting some very good effects from that. Why? Because people become more trustworthy for crypto itself. Because again, so if a regulator comes here, it gives some protection.
Definitely, yeah. Crypto's here to stay. So then what is next on the roadmap for Brighty? You mentioned that you have already these debit cards, but what else can we expect in the near future from Brighty?
So we're also working on adding more cashbacks options, because that's what our customers looking for. So they asking, okay, where is the cashback? We have the card, so we are working on that. So it's a little bit tricky one. Another very interesting product story that also we are working is earning card. So right now we have kind of DeFi strategies in applications, so you can, for example, stake USDT there and start earning and yielding on USDT. And what we are trying to do is to merge this DeFi strategy just with a card, so you can just link a card to the specific DeFi strategy. And why you can still spend this money in the crypto, you will be earning some real, not very big amount, but daily. You don't need to do anything, just link a card to this special growing account. You can spend this money, you can grow this money and in one batch. So that's what we are working on, and I think like this will be like really cool feature.
All right, so Nikolay, what is your ideal future when it comes to banking and fintech? What would you like if you could have any sort of regulation, anything goes? Like, what would that future look like for you when it comes to crypto and fintech?
The real cool future when the users can utilize the money that they have for everything they want, and nobody can take this money from them.
Yes, we're getting there, but it's going to take a long time for everything to be truly decentralized as we envision it. All right, Nikolay, what is the best way for someone to reach out to you if they have any questions and to use the Brighty app?
Right, to reach myself, they can reach to myself in LinkedIn or just write an email. So I think or through our website, Telegram. I'm very open to any communication. I do really like and enjoy to communicate with our customers.
Okay, amazing. Well, if any of our viewers have any questions, make sure to reach out to Nikolay on LinkedIn, like he said, send him an email, or to join the Telegram group. Thank you so much for your time today, Nikolay.
Thank you.
Everyone, thank you for watching this episode of Crypto TV with Nikolay Denisenko, who is the co-founder and CTO of Brighty App. Make sure to reach out to him, check out Brighty App if you haven't already, and tune in for more episodes of Crypto TV next week. See you later, guys.